Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Frankfort to near Manteno to near Limestone, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gary, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, Schererville, Hobart, Kankakee, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Park Forest, Madison, Bourbonnais, Frankfort, Bradley, Cedar Lake, Steger, Lowell, Manteno, Peotone, and Moments. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 302 and 341. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 258. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.